Deductive arguments and inductive arguments differ in their formulation. In a deductive argument, the conclusion follows from the premises according to the logical rules of inference. And therefore, if the premises are true, necessarily the conclusion is true. So, for example, if you say, all men are mortal, Socrates is a man, it follows by the rules of logical inference that therefore Socrates is mortal. That would be a deductive argument. An inductive argument appeals to a representative sample of a wider group to show that it is probable that some conclusion is true, but the conclusion doesn't follow necessarily. So suppose that you can show that 80% of people who are cigarette smokers contract lung cancer, but that only 20% of a control group of non-smokers contract lung cancer. That would be very good inductive evidence that smoking is a cause of lung cancer. Now, that conclusion doesn't follow logically necessarily from that data, but it is rendered highly probable by that data. And so in doing Christian apologetics, we can construct both deductive arguments for Christian truth claims as well as inductive arguments for Christian truth claims.